Hi, this is Nina Koo, and I'm really excited to be sharing a video series that I've made for you on embracing your highly sensitive nature. After you've watched the video series, you're going to come away with a really good understanding of what high sensitivity is and how to embrace your highly sensitive trait and thrive as a highly sensitive person in our modern world. Join me on Monday when we'll be talking about what exactly highly sensitive is. And you'll be able to find my videos on my Facebook page. If you haven't already visited and liked the page, then please do. There's a link in the comment section below. And I look forward to seeing you on Monday.